Richard Gutierrez at Barbie Imperial. Exclusively dating na nga ba? Tara na at pag-usapan natin ito. Hello mga ka-trenders! Welcome back muli sa ating channel. Kung bago pa lamang kayo dito, huwag nang kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit na din ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga balitang trending at napapanahon. Pinahayag ni OG Diaz na exclusively dating na sina Richard Gutierrez at Barbie Imperial. Matatandaan po mga ka-trenders na ilang beses na ngang nais patang magkasama ang dalawa, ngunit wala pa sa kanila ang nagkumpirma o tumanggi man lang na may namamagitan na sa kanilang dalawa. Sabi ni OG Diaz sa kanyang programang Showbiz Update, ayon sa aming very reliable source, walang overlapping na naganap at hiwalay na umano sina Richard at Sara Labati bago pa pumasok sa eksena si Barbie. Last year pa daw nga pong hiwalay ang mag-asawang Richard at Sara at pareho na nga daw pong single at co-parenting na lamang sila sa kanilang dalawang anak. Dagdag pa itong pahayag ni OG Diaz. Sabi pa raw ng source ni OG, nitong taon lamang nakapalagayan ng loob ni Barbie si Richard at nung isang taon pa di umano nagkahiwalay ang mag-asawa. Kaya nga daw naaawa ang source niya kay Barbie dahil ito nga ang dinidikdik o sinisisi ng ilang netizen na siyang umanong dahilan kung bakit naghiwalay ang mag-asawang Richard at Sara Labati at inaakusahan nga din siyang homewrecker. Sabi ni OG, sa takdang panahon daw ay magsasalita di umano ang dalawa sina Richard at Barbie tungkol sa kanilang relationship status. Matatandaang reliable source din ni OG Diaz ang nag-deny ng pagkakamabutihan ng dalawang celebrity na ito noon. Narito naman ang mga komento ng ilan sa mga netizen patungkol dito. Sabi ni Sir TCH Ray Axe 8741, there seems to be truth on the issue behind Richard and Sarah's breakup, according to what Zian Gaza posted earlier that they were already separated since August. We saw how Richard attended solo for Star Magic Ball 2023 and Opulence Ball. So even though the breakup was announced back in November, it doesn't mean that the breakup happened shortly before that. And even the very last photo of them together was back in July. As for Barbie's entering the picture, obviously it's only been this year she's linked, so that's why she couldn't be the one to cause it. That makes no sense. And Barbie wasn't even the one listed in the blind items as a third party since there was Kazel Kinuchi who was mentioned. All the allegations against Richard had been proven to be false. So as for who's the one at fault, it's not fair to put the blame on Richard and even now with Barbie. As for them exclusively dating, I think as long as they're not cohabiting at it remains in that stage, they won't be charged for adultery as there are specific grounds. But it still doesn't make it right if they progress from their dating stage and have a real relationship. I just hope they've managed to finalize their annulment. And for those bashing Barbie, just a reminder that it was Sara Labati who was the first to state that it's okay to date because she's single. Plus, she was caught having lunch with a friend. LOL. Still doesn't make her right. At least Richard's not saying anything that will insinuate him, unlike Sara who was quick to defend herself on the matter so as not to be judged quickly. LOL. The justification of Sara there speaks volume about her true nature. We really don't know much about her anyway. Sabi pa po ni @LuisCV7542, 1. Matagal nang hiwalay si Richard at Sara na nagkaroon ng sightings of Richard with Barbie. Sa tingin ko walang overlapping. 2. I can almost see another controversial heartbreak for Barbie. Open and close parenthesis. Girl, hindi ka na natuto. Plus, hello, si Annabel Rama. So, good luck. And the third, Thank you dahil wala nang bastos or malaswang BI. Keep it up. Sagot naman ni at Revelita Atienza 1386, true, di na siya natuto. At nag-comment din si at Teen C Palabay 25, sa mag-asawa ang hiwalay ay annulled. Hindi yan magjowa lang. Pag may pumasok sa eksena, kabit ang tawag doon. At meron din komento si at Can I die early? Does anyone remember OG confirming na wala daw mali siya kina Barbie and Richard? Hindi daw sila dating at all. Tapos ngayon, confirmed na dating? Tama talaga ang mga Redditors. Sabi naman at komento ni at Dimo4945, pinapalabas pa na si Sara Labati pa ang may problem. Think of it, tinalikuran niya ang kanyang karir, nagkaroon ng lamat ang relasyon niya sa kanyang network, all because of her choice to love Richard Gutierrez. Komento naman ni at Chimchimini9320, yung ang taas ng standard ni Richard tapos napunta lang kay Barbie Imperial, ilang taon agwat? In fairness, di naman siya makakakuha ng medyo nasa beauty queen bracket at may mataas na pinag-aralan kasi for sure, di yun magpapa-under kay Annabelle. Kaya Barbie, standard na lang. Komento din ni at Gemma Martinez 9179, hindi rin magtatagal ang relasyon ni na Richard at Barbie. Alam naman natin na walang tumagal na relasyon sa anak ni Annabelle Rama. And there you have it, mga ka-trenders. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating isa na namang trending video update. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin hanggang sa dulo ng video na ito. Pero bago kayo umalis mga ka-trenders, huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe, at i-hit na din ang bell notification para lagi kayong updated sa mga balitang trending at napapanahon. See you on my next one. Paalam!